In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion/commands. First, you'll want to start by navigating over to the Notion website, which you can easily find at notion.com. This is where all the rich and flexible tools that Notion offers begin. Once there, head over to the top right corner of the page and click on Login. This is your entry point to accessing all your projects and notes that you manage within Notion. If you're using Notion for the first time today, you'll need to create an account. However, if you're a returning user, simply proceed with logging in. Now, to make the login process even more seamless, click on Continue with Google and then pick your corresponding Google account from the list. This option saves you from needing to remember yet another password and allows for a smooth transition into your workspace. Once you've selected your Google account, you'll be instantly redirected to your main Notion page. This page might look different for everyone depending on what projects you have ongoing, but the core functionality remains the same for all users. Once you're on your Notion page, it's time to get hands-on with /commands. That's where a lot of the magic happens within Notion. In any note or page you're working on, simply type a /ma. This seemingly simple action is your gateway to a multitude of powerful commands and features within Notion. The moment you type /, you'll see a drop-down list appear offering you a wide variety of commands to choose from. The drop-down menu offers numerous options, depending on your needs. For example, you can quickly insert headers of different sizes to organize your thoughts, add checkboxes for task lists, or even embed links to important resources. It's a rapid way to access numerous functionalities without breaking your workflow to search for each tool individually. Experimenting with these commands is key. You might find some that transform how you manage information and improve your productivity. Feel free to explore as many of the available commands as possible. Whether it's creating a simple text block or inserting a more complex database, each command has its unique potential to make organizing your digital space much easier. And that's all there is to it. Now that you've seen how effortless it is, you can leverage /commands to enhance your Notion experience. With practice, you'll become more adept at using these commands to speed up your workflow, making your time in Notion both productive and enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out other ways to optimize your Notion workspace in our upcoming tutorials.